Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to take you through on how to use the HLOOKUP. And the H in HLOOKUP stands for horizontal lookup. This particular function is used to search for values in top rows of a table or range and returns a value in the same column from top row you specify. And the HLOOKUP is particularly useful when dealing with data formatted in rows rather than in column. Just as you can see my data. Mine are formatted in rows. So we have the name and we have the mini grid. Now, assuming that you want to extract data for maybe the mini grid of a particular student, this is how you go about it. So as usual, you start with the equal sign, then HLOOKUP. Now, let's try to interpret what we are able to see. Then we have the HLOOKUP, then we have the lookup value. And the lookup value is the value to search for in the first row of the table arrays. It is the value to search. Then we have number 2, the table array. This is the range of cells that contain the data. This is where the data is contained. Then we have the row index number, and this is the row number in the table to retrieve a value. Then lastly, we have the range lookup. Then a range lookup is a logical value that specifies whether to find the exact value, which you should give false, or approximate match, which you should select true. If omitted, the default is always true. Okay, let's go about the whole thing. So we have the lookup value. What you want to search, you want it to you search it at that point, which is the J8, JAs. Then comma. Then we have the table array. This is the table where you want to extract the data from. Then comma. Then the next part, you have the row index number. The row index number. Now, if you look at the number of rows that we have 1, 2. So you have to ensure that you count them physical. So this is 1, 2. So where you want to extract the data from is our number 2. The row number is the table array to retrieve the value, where you want to retrieve the value from. Then we have the range. The range can either be true for approximate match, as I've just said, or false for exact match. Now, since you want to have exact match, I will double click the false option. Then I'll close my argument, then I press enter. Okay, let's see whether our function is working. So let me see, let me try to type John. Then after I type John, I will press enter. As you can see, I'm able to get the grade for John just by writing the name, then you're clicking the button below. Okay, let's try to another one. Maybe let's try Lewis. Okay, let me see. As you can see, it has given us the value for the grade for Lewis. So whenever you pick false, it will always give you the exact value. Okay, let's try to give it true. Okay, let me see. Okay, assuming that you select true. Okay, let's try to get the grade for Sarah. As you can see, it has already guessed the answer to be C. Remember, whenever you pick true, it will always approximate. But whenever you pick false, it will always pick the correct value, the exact match. So ours, since you want to pick the correct or the exact match, I will pick the false, which will give you exact match. Okay, let's try to see whether it's working. Then submit. Okay, Okay, as you can see, it is working quite well. So those are the steps that you follow whenever you want to insert or to use the H function in your data. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and also to comment. And in case you have not subscribed, please do so. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye bye.